guys, welcome to Bath and Shower Tile Ideas episode 17. This one's titled Budget Friendly Modern Shower. We've got a shower build here. We started 2 days ago from studs. Took only 2 days of build, and that included plumbing a new valve, installing board, waterproofing with Schluter membrane, installing large format tile at a 16th inch grout line, grouting, sealing, and installing the trim kit here. So let's talk about what materials we used, and we'll go over and break down the cost on labor as well as materials for this budget-friendly, modern-looking shower. Here we go. All right, guys, here is the shower. This is the original tub. Now, it had a leak, and the customer did not want to spend a lot of money on this. It was builder's grade. You had drywall, and then right past the drywall, you had tile directly glued to the drywall. So that failed. Usually it does. And they wanted to build a modern looking shower on a budget. So what we did is fairly simple. This took 2 days for the build. We installed water resistant drywall. We also installed Schluter Kerdi membrane. That process took about 2 hours. So here's your drywall. This is green board. Green board is from Home Depot. Purple is from Lowe's. So what you want to use is either a V-notch trowel like that or an 8x8 to install this Schluter membrane. On day 2, tile was complete. Everything was grouted. We just installed the trim kit here. Got brushed nickel. Now real quickly, guys, let's talk about what we installed here. We've got tile on 3 walls as well as the ceiling. We installed these 12 by 24 inch ceramic tiles at a straight pattern. As you see, everything's symmetrical. You start with tiles in the middle from top to bottom. We've got smaller tiles on the sides that wrap the adjacent wall to equal a full tile, and then we end on a full tile. There is no niche, there is no mosaic stripe. The customer wanted this to be low maintenance, which it is going to be very, very low maintenance. 1/16 inch grout lines, Prism grout, ceramic tile. I mean, you can just literally squeegee this and not have to spend a lot of time maintaining it and cleaning it. Schluter Rondeck was the trim for the perimeter of it, and keep in mind the customer will be doing drywall and paint themselves. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg on trim to cover your cut edges. Trim is usually fairly expensive, $6 to $20 per 12 inches to match this tile. Another option is something like a profile. This is a Schluter Rondeck PVC. The cost of this is $6 for an 8-foot stick. Brushed nickel for this trim runs around $20 for an 8-foot stick. So, again, budget friendly, Schluter Rondeck to cover cut edges, fairly inexpensive ceramic tile. And there you have it as far as the tile. Again, ceramic 12 by 24. Let's talk about the cost of this shower. This shower, for labor on everything, valve, trim kit, board, waterproofing, tile, and trim, cost $3,250 for labor. Materials was roughly $200, not including tile. So again, this is a very budget-friendly, modern-looking tile surround. So it's possible to make a modern-looking shower without spending too much money. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for future episodes.